Hi folks, welcome back to Glowsniff Garage. Another unboxing video again today, and today we are looking at the Hasegawa Lancia 037 rally car, the 1984 Tour de Corse rally winner. I believe this was the last rear wheel drive car to win the WRC Championship way back in 1984, and since everybody went to four wheel drive after the Quattro appeared, this was the last one that was only powered with the rear wheels. So let's take a wee look at the box. So we've just got a photograph of the actual car on the box. It's kind of typical of Hasegawa kits, they tend to have actual real photographs of the car. This is really good for reference. You can sit and sort of look at this and make sure all your decals are lined up and stuff. On the bottom here, just various kind of bump, same picture on the side, number 30 in the CR series, another photograph in the car on the back, some details there, the size of the car. Not too good with my Japanese, so I don't know what the rest says, and you've got the same again on the back side. So give me a wee minute, I will open up the box, get everything out the bags, and we'll take a look at what's inside. Right, I've got the bags opened up. So start off with this bag here. I don't want to take this out of the bag in case I lose it, but this is a sort of sheet of rubber for the rear mud flaps, and it also contains a sort of piece of metal rod for your aerial. It's a really nice touch there. Yeah, sort of rubbery plastic there, so you can cut to size and use for your rear mud flaps. Next up, take a little look at the decals. So get your iconic Martini Racing livery there. These are by Cartograph. Would make really good decals. So these should be really nice to put on. Hopefully no splits or tears. Seat belts there, various different logos. Really looking forward to doing these decals. Next we've got the tyre decals. You can do gold or white Pirelli. I'm not really sure what's the correct ones to use. I'm sure it'll be obviously one or the other, but I've got a feeling it's the white ones, but I'll have to double check when I'm putting them on. And now we've got the instruction manual. Got a little bit of information about the car there. Now this seems to be a reasonably detailed kit. So, yep, it's quite a big instruction manual. So this kit has a full engine detail and quite a detailed interior, so there's quite a lot of parts here. You've got your layout for your decals and colours there. Right, so onto the sprues. So the first one we've got here, we've got a combination of engine parts and interior parts. Got the steering wheel there, various air intakes. Exhaust parts, rear transaxle parts there too. I believe these are the door cards. Looks like a roll cage piece. Next up we've got the wheels. And some suspension parts and your lights. These look like bonnet straps or tie downs here too, absolutely tiny. Couple of axles there too. Another wee look at the wheels there. I believe there is space for a spare wheel, but you only get 4 wheels, I think, with this kit. You'd have to source another wheel if you wanted to put a spare in the front. And we've got a front radiator and fan there. Various grills. Subframe pieces. Separately moulded door handles. A little bit of flash on some of the pieces. Brakes there too. Your wheel arch liners. Looks like some roll cage pieces. Next up, this is some extra parts. Got a section for your rear spoiler, window wipers, steering rack, main chassis. That's what I love about these Tamiya Hasegawa kits, excuse me. I don't even know what that tiny thing is there, but everything tends to be moulded separately. Things that you would expect to be moulded into like the body or whatever, they mould them separately. So I really love all the little details. Some different grills there. So front spoiler, I believe this piece is for the rear, sort of rear bumper area, but this kit it's not used, that's removed. The grill for the rear there too, which is going to be really tricky to paint. All those little recessed bits of the grill. I believe Hobby Design makes a detail up kit for this with photo etch parts for all the grills and stuff, which I might pick up for this kit. I'm not the best at photo etch, but I think it would make the kit look so much better having proper grills instead of the plastic moulded ones. Next sprue here, I've got the interior tub, your driver and co-driver seats, like the pattern that's moulded into that. A little bit of flash on it, again, nothing too dramatic. There's your pack box for your exhaust. It's the two sides of your engine. Valve cover there with a bath moulded in. That's going to be extremely tricky to paint. More roll cage pieces. So your rear window for the cockpit and your dashboard there. Next up, we've got the clear parts. Like you've got these side vents moulded into the windows with all the screws and stuff. It'll look really nice when it's painted up. Front windscreen, and your rear glass for above the engine. Side windows and various headlights and indicator parts there. And we've got a bag with 4 tyres in it. A little bit of a seam round them, but nothing dramatic. And it comes with polycaps too. And last but not least, we have the body here. very nicely moulded. One of these grill sections that are hard to paint, but if you get the photo etched detail set, you cut this out and replace it with a photo etched grill, which will look much better, which I might, like I say, I might pick that up for this kit. Back there, that should be all grilled out in here too. Section for your spoiler. There's a little bit of a dimple in here. Camera probably won't pick it up very well. See the reflection there, there's a slight dimple with injection marks. It's the same at the other side. If you're really bothered about that, you just fill that in with a bit of putty. It's a little bit annoying that you don't get a spare wheel. In the real car, the spare wheel is, because this is a mid-engined car, spare wheel's under the front bonnet. So you do have a big empty area in here, and when this is built up, to put a spare wheel in, but you don't get the spare wheel. And this is obviously a separate piece so that you can take that off to display it. So if you don't have the spare wheel, you're just going to have this big empty space with the radiator at the front. It's a little bit disappointing. I don't know where the hell you would get a spare wheel for this. But anyway, yeah, the body is moulded really nicely. That's the only sort of letdown, I would say. A couple of bits of flash on some parts of the kit, but other than that, mega detailed kit again for Hasegawa. Could go absolutely wild with this. There's a couple of people building this currently. I've been following on Instagram, which kind of prompted me to get this kit. And they're really going to town with it, adding extra wiring, plumbing and stuff like that into the engine. Carbon decals. So yeah, I just hope that I can sort of do this kit justice, do it as good as they're doing it. Yeah. So that was the Lancia 037 rally car from Hasegawa, sort of Group B legend. Predates the Lancia Delta. Really looking forward to getting into this kit. This is going to be this won't be done in a week or two. This will be a pretty long time to get through this kit to really do it properly. So as always guys, thanks for watching the video, and always appreciate any comments, subscriptions, likes, all the rest of it. If you like the video, let me know in the comments. If you think about getting this car, also let me know. You can follow me on Instagram. I won't be starting this kit for a little bit, but if you check out my Instagram, Glue-Sniff Garage on Instagram, give me a little follow. You can see what I'm up to just now, sort of current builds, past builds, and I post there pretty regularly, and you get to keep up with what I'm doing and any video updates too. So thanks for watching the video, and I will see you in another one in the near future. Cheers, bye.